friends.
Hi friends.
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And we're working on our Animal at the Zoo animal series where we draw animals from the letters A to Z. And today's letter is the letter D. What should we draw for the letter D?
Maybe a deer.
So let's grab our pieces of paper, markers, whatever you have, and let's flip them this way. And we'll start with the head of the deer that's going to be here on the right-hand side, okay? So for the head, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a curvy shape that's going to start here, and it's going to go curve down this way. So watch this. Curve down to like a point like that.
Starting right here.
Yeah, like a little bit lower, I would say, because we're going to draw antlers on the deer.
Right here.
And then what we're going to do now is we're going to start with that point, and we're going to make a curvy line that's going to go down towards the left, and then it's going to go up. So we're going to go down and then curve up like that. Let's go down towards the left, and then up towards the left. Yes. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add an ear coming out of this area. Okay, so for the ear, we're going to start down here a little bit in here. And we're going to go out like that to make a curve. And then we're going to bring this part, curve down towards, see that point that we made earlier? And then we're going to make another line going in like this. And then we're actually going to go like that. See that? Okay, and then let's draw a little nose. The nose is going to be just this kind of curvy line like that. And then let's make an arch for one eye. So we're going to draw one eye like that, and some eyelashes going up. And then let's make a curve for a smiley face going up like that. Okay, and now let's work on some antlers. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so for the antlers, we're gonna make a curvy line that goes up like that. And then we're gonna make these curves that go down and up. And then down, and then bring this one down, and then this one you're going to curve up and around and in, and then bring this one down back to the head. That one's kind of tricky, huh? Okay, let's try this side again. Let's draw another one. It's going to be more over here where the ear is. It's going to be coming up like that. And then we're gonna make a curve, and then make it curve go down like that, and then make a curve go up and around, and then back to this area. You see that?
Yeah.
And then bring it down, and then make a curve go up and around, and then down like this. There you go. That was kind of tricky, huh? Okay.
You make them like really high.
Yeah, and you can make, you know, for antlers, you can do so many other things. You can also just make lines and just make dashes going out. So I think these were a little tricky. Okay, now let's start working on the rest of our body, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start somewhere right here. So see where we made the smiley face? We're gonna go in towards the left a little bit more, and then we're gonna make a curve that's gonna go down and then towards the right a little bit, and then in like that. So this is gonna be like our body. Okay, and then
stomach. Yeah,
the stomach, exactly. And then we're gonna start somewhere over here, and we're gonna make a line that's gonna go down to about there.
Stomach, right.
And these two can connect like that, yeah.
Not right.
Okay, and then we're gonna make a curvy shape. So we're gonna start somewhere up here where see this corner is, where the ear meets the head. And we're gonna go down, and then we're gonna go towards the left, and then we're gonna go out like that a little bit. It's a little tricky, yeah. Beautiful. Yours looks really good. Okay, and then we're gonna go back to this part where we're gonna continue working on this leg right here. So we're gonna leave some space over here, go towards the left a little bit, and then somewhere up here, you're gonna make a line that goes down like that, okay? And then you're gonna connect these two parts, okay? Okay, we're gonna work on this leg now. It's gonna look like it's behind this front leg. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna start here and we're gonna make a line go down. And then we're gonna make another line running parallel, also going down like this. And then connect these two lines. And then another line, yeah, go in, running all the way down the same path. And then just connect the line on the bottom across. Yep, very good. Okay, and we're gonna come back and do the feet later because I wanna continue to work on the rest of the body. So for that, we're gonna make a curvy shape that's gonna be like a big smiley face. It's gonna go out till about there. Okay?
I want mine to be like
yeah, and that's okay. Don't worry about it being perfect, okay? I'm gonna make mine go up a little bit more. Okay, and then here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start a little bit higher up here, and then I'm gonna make a curve that's gonna go towards the left like that. That's gonna be the back leg. And then this one, I'm gonna actually make this line go down a little bit more. Yours is fine. What I would do is I would continue making my line go down until they meet like about here. So go more towards the left. Go in. Perfect. Okay, that looks great. And then what we're gonna do is see the very far point right here? We're gonna bring this one down towards the right and then stop it like at the same length where that one ends. Yeah, about there.
Yeah,
that's about right. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring this one now going down to meet this guy over here. All the way down to where that one ends. And then make that line across to connect the two, okay? And then, so now we have how many legs? 1, 2, 3, okay? We need how many more legs? How many more legs do we need on a deer? One more? Okay, let's work on the back leg back here. So what we're gonna do is make a curvy line. We're gonna bring this leg, look at how I'm doing this. So we're gonna bring this one, make a curve towards the left, just like you did with the other one. And we're gonna do the same thing over here. We're gonna start here and bring it towards the left like that, next to it. And then this one, we're gonna make a line going down towards the right at an angle, and this one following the same path next to each other. And then connect them on the bottom. And look at that, we already have a deer going, right? Okay, and now let's work on the feet. So for that, what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna start on this side. I'm gonna start right here, and we're gonna make a curve that goes down like this, down like that towards the right. And then we're gonna come back here and we're gonna bring it down and then connect the points together. I'm gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna make a curve going down. And then we're gonna come back to the left and curve down and towards the left like that. Okay, same thing here. We're gonna make a curve going down towards the right and then bring this one down like that. And just keep doing the same thing for all of them. And don't worry if they don't all look exactly the same. That's okay. Great. Okay, a couple more things. Our deers also have a little tail. So for that, we're gonna draw a curve right here on the back here. We're gonna draw a curve going up. And then we're gonna bring this curve down like that. Beautiful. And last thing, how about for this deer, we'll add some spots, you know, because some deers have like different spots, different colors. So for that, we're gonna draw these like little oval shapes that are here on the back part like that. Different sizes. Some of them can be bigger, some of them can be smaller. Like that. That. Okay. Great. And you can add more. You can add more spots on the neck if you want, other parts of the body. But that's where I'm gonna leave my deer spots. And that's it. And you can add other details if you want. A lot of deers live in the forest, so you can add some big trees if you want. You can add rocks on the bottom, some grass, maybe a waterfall, maybe a baby deer. You can add so many different cool things here. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and color ours in, color yours in too, and then come back and see how we finished. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, here we have our colored in deers, and I went ahead and colored mine a few different colors, and Lila, looks like you stuck to mostly brown, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're curious to know, what did you guys do with your deers? Did you color them all kinds of colors? Did you make it into a reindeer? Did you make a red nose? What did you do?
I did a pink nose.
You did a pink nose, yeah. So
to make pink, you need red and white.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the same thing.
Yep. And so we'd like to see how your drawing turned out. So take a photo and share with us. The information for how to do that is below the video. And if you want to see more drawing examples from us, please check out our other videos and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And please subscribe to our channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.